up, guys? Today we'll be cooking fish straight from the Tsukiji market, the most popular market in the whole entire Japan. And today is special because we have Kae Sensei, who is one of the famous chefs in Japan. She'll be teaching us how to cook fish in different methods, including the ways of cutting it in the traditional Japanese ways. And why not? Let's get started! We're now at Tsukiji market, and luckily it's not very crowded today because we came really early. This is the other part of the market of Tsukiji.
This brand is more harder than this. So Sushi master chef uses this one for cutting bones, and this one for cutting the fillet. More? More.
The fish was very heavy though. It weighed around 80 kilograms. That's like 170 pounds. And it was such a workout to just cut the whole fish open. Are you guys hungry? After 2 hours of cutting the fish and cooking, we're now ready for lunch. Homemade lunch, straight from the farm, actually the ocean, to the table. And this is the final product. Very beautiful. Thanks to Kae Sensei. Itadakimasu! So excited for the food! It smells good, so let me try the first bite. Oishi! So good! With the master chef.